Hi guys, welcome back to the Pedagogy Tls. This is Abdul Ghafoor and you are watching YouTube channel. So some quick questions for your test. So without wasting time, just a few questions I found that need to be shared with you. So number one question is talking about what type of the test aims to determine the position of the test taker within a predefined group on the traits being measured. As you know that the criterion reference we have discussed, that's mean based on the criteria and a proficiency test to check the proficiency that can be language. However, the norm reference that is based on the ranking of a specific group, which is a predefined, like you are for job searching, that's a group for admission of the NEET or any university. So the C option is correct. However, the achievement test has a no relationship, this one. Moving to the next question, which is what is this? Critical thinking. So critical thinking, as we know that the analysis and evaluation, which of the following question could be the considered critical thinking question? Which details are most important on the project steps? Why? This is thinking, right? Let's see. What is not critical thinking? What is not the critical thinking? How do you finish this project without having all the required materials? Okay, explain. This is related with the inquiring something. Okay, reasoning again and analyzing and evaluations. This is we call the critical thinking. So option A is the correct for critical thinking. Let's see. Third one, we have the a student participated in the classroom and discussion effectively, but avoided working in a writing task. When the issue was discussed with the students and mentioned that he's weak in writing. So he said he's weak in writing. That's a weakness got a worse in previous grades. So you can see the position of helplessness. So it's not a learning difficulty. If it's a learning difficulty, it will specify that what type of the difficulty he is facing and in which areas. But he is feel that a scenario says that helplessness. It's not a frustration. It's not a slow learner. So learn helplessness. So I'll be giving you a less detail in these because most of the term already explained. Regarding this part, this shows that which of the data is qualitative. Score, that's attainment, quantitative. Number is instruction hours, quantitative. Number of subjects, quantitative. So student gender, it's not a quantitative, it's a qualitative. So B is the correct option for that. And let's talk about what is the easy to deal with the cyberbullying cases. Okay, how we can deal. So evidence of based on evidences, we collect the evidences and we deal it accordingly. This is the one. A is correct, but let's see. Parents readily intervene. No, that's not secondary. It's difficult to occur. No, it can easily to ignore. We cannot ignore. So A option is the correct one. Uh, these are the answers that I have shared with you already. So let's see. This is the one, two. Okay, all these. I hope this will help you a lot. We'll be meeting in the next. Till that, stay blessed and take care.